Tonight, silence wears a crown inside my little cottage. Rain dances softly on the window, whispering secrets only the night can understand. The fire glows golden, alive, like the heartbeat of the room. And I am a woman who has learned to live between simplicity and splendor. I no longer chase to prove anything. A true queen needs no crown. Her grace speaks for her. With every sip of tea, I taste my memories and smile at how far I have come. I've learned that wealth is not in gold, but in peace, the quiet kind that warms the soul. Love, too, is a flame that never surrenders, even when the storm rages outside. This cottage is my little kingdom, where candles flicker like loyal stars, and the royal woman within me finally rests, perfectly, gloriously, in her own light.